Hi, welcome back to edquest. In this session, we will discuss how we can do the setup of Kubeflow, what are the dependencies we have required. If your Kubernetes environment is not ready or installed, then you can go to the video 29th in this series with the title Initialize a Kubernetes cluster from scratch or Kubernetes setup guide. We are providing the video link into the description. You can go and watch it first. Coming to the first point, persistent volume setup, or you can say local path provisioner. This is the most important step in which we have to install local path provisioner by using YAML files. The same YAML files available into our GitHub repository, and the repo link is available into the video's description. Then we need to set up a local path by using command. This path will allow Kubeflow pod to generate dynamic persistent volume, which is knowingly as PVC. Our next step is download Kubeflow manifests. The minimal recommended version of manifest is 1.6.1. You can download it from the official Kubeflow GitHub repository, and the same link is available into the video description. You can go and open the link and take a clone and download it. And later on you can extract the downloaded archive. Now the third step is to modify the pipeline manifest. To do this part, we have to remove GCP/inverse proxy from pipelines customization.yaml file. This file will be get from previously downloaded or extracted files. This will help us to disable cloud dependency. Now our fourth step is to deploy Kubeflow pipeline. First of all, we will create a namespace Kubeflow for the pipelines. Secondly, we will use the apply command to create all the listed services for Kubeflow available into the multiple YAML files extracted into the previous step. Next point is to deploy Kubeflow pipeline components like ML pipeline UI, metadata gRPC, cache server, and many more. Now our fifth and next step is to expose the Kubeflow UI with node port. We will assign a dedicated port for ML pipeline UI service to node port, which is 31380, and on the browser we can hit the http:// your node IP : port, which is 31380 in my scenario, and you can use a different port as well. Our next and the last step is for the verification. Firstly, we will ensure all the ports are running in the Kubeflow namespace, and later on we will check all the services and required access and the UI running into the browser. So this is the agenda. In our upcoming videos, we will do the workshop, and I will show you the command one by one and execute these commands onto the node so that we can enable our Kubeflow environment in a practical workshop. Thank you.